Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today is fifth day of our tour, and today we are heading from Tagda towards Darjeeling. And in this video, I will be showing you that today, on the way we went in, we have came here in this orchid garden on the way, and it is open from 9:30 to 12 in the morning, and it's being a 10:18 right now, so it's easy for us to go in, and it costs 15 rupees per person. So let me give you an information that the Tinchula monastery is closed due to this COVID reason. Not only Tinchuli but every monastery is closed for this pandemic reason, so we couldn't go there, and I suggest you also not to visit any kind of monastery because you will be getting disappointed. As usual, I'll give some photographs now. So yeah, I couldn't shoot like all the part of this garden, so I'll provide you with some photographs, so see them. So all photographs are given, and we have watched the whole garden, and now we will go back to our car. So meet you in our next destination. Okay, so today is 31st, and today is the year end, last day of the 2020, and I wish everyone to have a wonderful year in 2021. And I will be sharing all my experience of today and tomorrow, and for that you need to stay tuned in my channel and watch my videos regularly. So guys, we thought that the garden ends there, but later we saw this part, and here are too many orchids, like you could see this duckwoods and cactuses, and I will be of course giving you all the photographs at the end of my video, so watch till the end to get all the photographs. We're entering another house where there are too many plants again. Names are written here, so let's see all them. Okay, first one is something called Havastens Atmalia, sorry. Then the next one is something called H. bromeliads. In H. bromeliads. Next, this plant is Crassula campfire. There are many plants here, like I couldn't give all the names. I could just click photos of plants. So guys, you see, this is list of some wild orchids. Like you could see, I have given the photograph also. You could follow to this also. You could refer to that also. So here are some flowering time. Okay, so these are common names of the flowers. This is botanical name, like a very big list. Okay, name of botanical. Next is flowering time. Then pot number. Too many. So let me give you. Now we have came to another house, and there are some hybrid orchids here. Okay, again photographs. So now we will head towards Darjeeling. Meet you in the car. On our way, we stopped here at this place to show you the view of Kanchenjunga, and this is the view we got. Isn't this mesmerizing? So that's Darjeeling. So meet you in the hotel. So guys, we have reached our hotel, and wearing mask is mandatory, and we are staying in the Sunar Bangla hotel, and our room will be shown us soon. So meet you there inside our room. So now guys, we have checked in our hotel, and we are heading towards the mall, I guess. Like, we are going just to walk here. This is my 5th time here in Darjeeling, so too many times. So let's go then. But before that, let's peek into the room. So now we are walking in land. After so many days, I came here again, and I'm enjoying too. So let's go outside and meet you there. So I am in mall right now. So we are going to the downward street, going just from here. So let's go then. So now we are going upside, but now I'll not do much vlog because today is the year end, and I will be coming in the mall at night. I think so. All depends on my parents. So meeting with them. One person sang here, and that was amazing. Here you go.
एक को हम तो बचा नहीं सके उत्तम प्रधान को, और हमारे पास है तिहेन लामा, हमें उसे बचाना है। और स्वागत करते हैं दर्शकों को, और ये गाना मैं उत्तम प्रधान जी को मैं एक श्रद्धांजलि स्वरूप एक गाना पेश कर रहा हूँ। डोनेशन बक्स रखा है, आप जो भी हो 10-20 जितना भी हो सके, आशा करता हूँ आप जरूर सहयोग करेंगे। थैंक यू। दिल ऐसा किसी ने मेरा तोड़ा, बर्बादी की तरफ ऐसा मोड़ा, दिल ऐसा किसी ने मेरा तोड़ा, बर्बादी की तरफ ऐसा मोड़ा। एक भले मानुष को सागर कितना मेरे पास है, मेरे जीवन में फिर भी प्यास है प्यास बड़ी जीवन थोड़ा, हम मानुष बना के छोड़ा, दिल ऐसा किसी ने मेरा।
So we are right now in the Mahakal Mandir. Okay, so videoing is allowed here. So let's go in. Oh, so really sorry guys, videoing is not allowed here. So you people may come here and enjoy. But I could just show this is the temple. Like so. Happy New Year guys. So I could not video anymore. Never mind. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.